Good morning, students. Now let us continue the questions of the chapter height and distances. First of all, I will do example 5. That is little bit different. Example 5 of page number 201 NCERT book. I am reading the question. The shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree than when it was 60 degree. Now find the height of the tower. You are given that there is a tower. The shadow of a tower is 40 meter longer when its altitude is changing from 60 to 30 degree to 60 degree. एक टावर है, एक टावर का ये दिस AB इज द टावर, तो इसका शेडो यूं आएगा. 30 डिग्री में जो शेडो आ रहा है उसका इसका शेडो ये है. दिस इज टावर, दिस इज शेडो. 30 डिग्री में जो शेडो आ रहा है वो 60 डिग्री में जो शेडो आ रहा है उससे 40 मीटर ज्यादा है. नाउ तो लेट AB be the tower and AC and AD are the shadows of altitudes, the sun's altitudes 60 degree and 30 degree. From this, how can you find it? Which angle is to be taken as 30 degree? I will give you a trick. If the point of observation is far from the object, मैं यहाँ खड़ी होकर ऊपर का देखूंगी, then the angle of elevation, what is happening? If I go towards the object, then my head will move like this. That means if the point of observer is nearer to the object, then angle of elevation is more. If the point of observer is far from the object, then the angle of elevation is small. That means अगर आप दूर से ऑब्जेक्ट को देखेंगे एंगुलर एलिवेशन स्मॉल होगा, पास में जाएंगे तो आपका इसे मूव होता है आपके पॉइंट ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन, तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ज्यादा होगा. That is why since C is nearer to A, this angle is and D is far from this AB, this angle is smaller one, this angle is biggest one. Now you have to find what is you are asked to find what is the height of the tower. We have to find height of the tower. Now let the height of the tower be, for convenience, h भी ले सकते हैं, let it be h. height को h लेने में आपको convenience रहेगा. Let the height of the tower be h. height of the tower be h and the distance AC equal to x. Now first of all you will use the trigonometric ratio in this triangle and after that the outer triangle. In right triangle ACB, tan 60 is equal to h by x. Tan 60 is 1 by root 3 is equal to h by x. Implies h is equal, tan 60 is root 3, sorry, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 60 is root 3. Implies h is equal to root 3x. That is equation number 1. Now apply the T ratio. P और B दिया, हमेशा आपको tan ratio यूज करना है. PB. Now in right triangle ADB, tan 30 is equal to h by, ये टोटल लेंथ लेना है क्योंकि बड़ा ट्रायंगल ले रहे हैं, 40 plus x. That is tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 40 plus x. Now from equation 1 you can replace h by root 3x. That is implies 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3x upon 40 plus x from equation 1. And by cross multiplication you will get let me check. By cross multiplication you will get root 3 into root 3, 3x is equal to 40 plus x implies 2x is equal to 40 implies x is equal to 20. That means you got the value of x equal to 20. But you are not asked to find x. You are asked to find the value of h. From 1. What was the equation 1? From 1. First equation में आपको h और x का रिलेशन बता रखा है. h is equal to x root 3. You check equation 1. Since I have rubber, I have to recheck. H equal to root 3x. That implies height of the tower h is equal to 20 root 3. कल मैंने आपको बताया था रूट 3 का वैल्यू पुट करना है 1.731, that is 1.731. That becomes या 732. 731 भी ले सकते, 732 by round up करके भी ले सकते हैं. That means h is equal to 34.64 meter. You have to write the unit also. Next question is exercise 9.1, question number 4. Exercise 9.1, question number 4. I am reading the question. Question is, the angle of elevation on top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. You are given a tower. Let AB be the tower. The angle of elevation from a point on the ground. Let C be a point on the ground. From the point on the ground, which is at a distance of, what is the distance you are given? Which is at a distance of 30 meter away from foot. What is foot here? 30. Sorry, A. इस foot of tower में से एक point ground में लिया. The distance between the point and the foot of the tower is 30 meter. ये आपको दे रखा है. The angle of elevation of a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is, how much is given? Is, let me check, 30 degree. This is given as 30 degree. When you are asked to find height of the tower, like in the previous question, let AB be the tower. Let AB be the tower, and let C be the point at a distance, PT means point, at a distance of 30 meter from the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower. Given that angle BCA is equal to 30 degree. Let the height of the tower be h, that you can write. In right triangle BCA, relationship between P and B, P और B आता तो क्या लिखते हैं? हाँ, tan theta. Tan 30 is equal to h by 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 30, implies h is equal to 30 upon root 3. 30 upon root 3 can be written as, by rationalization, h is equal to 30 root 3 by 3. That is, implies h is equal to 10 root 3 meter. But you have to put the value of root 3 to 1.731 or 732, and you can have to complete the answer in decimals. That is your homework that you can do by yourself. I am not going to do. Next question is, a kite is, question number 5. Let me read the question first. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. From the ground, a kite is flying. Let AB be the kite, B be the kite which is flying at a height of 60 meter from the ground. B is the kite flying at a height of 60 meters from the ground. The string attached to a kite is temporarily tied to the point on the ground. इस kite को a point on the ground से string से a point on the ground से attach कर रखा है. That means this kite is attached by a point on the ground by a string, which the inclination of string with the ground. This is the string, and inclination means angle made. Inclination of the string, this is C, with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string. That means BC you have to find out. Assume that there is no slack in the string. String में कोई गठान नहीं हो. तो आप पहले assume करेंगे. Let B be the kite flying at a height of 60 meters from the ground. That you have to do by yourself. And BC be the string. And BC be the string. Given that angle BCA is equal to 30 degree. When you are asked to find the length of BC. Since P and H are given, which ratio is to be used? Sin 60. In right triangle ABC, sin 60 is equal to 60 by BC. You have to find the value of BC, that is length of string. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 is 60 by BC, implies BC is equal to 120 by root 3 BC. By rationalization you will get BC is equal to 120 root 3 by 3 implies BC is equal to 40 root 3. 40 root 3. If you put the value of BC root 3 equal to 1.731, you will get BC equal to 40 into 1.731 or 732 you can use. 1.731 implies BC is equal to 4 into 1.731 is 69.24 मीटर. ये आप चेक कर लें. तो चीज आपको ये आदत होना चाहिए रूट 3 का वैल्यू डालने का. रूट 3 इज 1.731 और 1.732. रूट 2 इज 1.414. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. That is question number 6. I am reading. 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 to 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. There is a tall boy, that is, let AB be the ball of length height 1.5 meter. This is the tower. A boy जो 1.5 मीटर हाइट में है वो सामने टावर को देख रहा है. दैट इज CD इज द टावर ऑफ हाइट 30 मीटर दैट यू आर गिवन. नाउ इफ यू जॉइन इट विल बी अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन? It is given that angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन बनाने के लिए हॉरिजॉन्टल बनाना है और लाइन ऑफ साइट को जॉइन करना है. अब बच्चे यहाँ कंफ्यूज होते हैं. विच एंगल इज टू बी टेकन एज 30 डिग्री, विच एंगल इज टू बी टेकन 60 डिग्री. दैट इज माय ट्रिक. द पॉइंट विच इज फार्दर फ्रॉम द ऑब्जेक्ट इज स्मॉलर, दैट इज दिस इज 30. ए पॉइंट विच इज नियरर टू द ऑब्जेक्ट इज बिगर. जो पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट से दूरी में है उसका एंगल छोटा होगा, जो ऑब्जेक्ट एंगल के नजदीक में उसका एंगल बड़ा होगा. नाउ यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस. व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस he walked towards the building. What is the distance he walked towards the building? That is A, B, C, D, E, F. Let me. What is the distance he walked towards the building? Towards the building means this distance. Let it be at what is the distance he walked towards building? कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया वॉक करना? B से F तक पहुंच गया. तो कि कौन सी डिस्टेंस निकालना है आपको? दिस इज F. A, B, C, D, E, F. तो ये डिस्टेंस आपको निकालना है BF. यहां से वॉच चल कर यहां तक पहुंच गया. दिस डिस्टेंस इज टू बी फाउंड आउट. लेट इट बी X एंड लेट इट बी Y. लेट CD, सिंस दिस इज 1.5, ये रेक्टेंगल बन रहा है तो ये भी 1.5 हो जाएगा. तो ED कैसे मिलेगा? ED इज इक्वल टू CD माइनस CE, दैट इज 30 माइनस 1.5, दैट इज 28.5. Why you are finding this length? Because the right triangle जो form हो रहा है, the height is 28.5. This much is to be found out. This is not need to be included. So that we have to find this length. Now let CD be the tower. I am not writing here because there is the lack of space. Let CD be the tower and AB be the boy of height 1.5 centimeter. Let given that angle DBE is equal to 30 degree. Angle DBE is equal to 30 degree and angle DFE equal to 60 degree. So which one is smaller and which one is bigger? Remember, the object which is farther from the point which is farther from object is smaller. The angle which is farther nearer to object is bigger. Now in right triangle F, कोई भी नाम आप दे सकते हैं. FDE tan 60 is equal to 28.5 by Y. Let BF equal to X and F equal to Y भी आपको अज्यूम करना है. जो भी असम्पशन आप लोग ये लिखकर बताना है. Implies root 3 is equal to 28.5 upon Y. Implies Y is equal to 28.5 upon root 3. That is, let it be equation number 1. बाद में हम rationalize करेंगे. Next is in right triangle. What is the next right triangle? Right triangle DBE. In right triangle DBE, tan 30 is equal to 28.5 upon x plus y. x plus y b पूरा लेना है. DE upon B, that is 28.5 upon x plus y. Now I am rubbing the figure because calculation is little bit bigger. That is, you can put the value of y from equation 1. That is, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 by x plus 28.5 upon root 3 from equation 1. From equation 1. Now, how can you solve it? Now, by taking an LCM, you get 28.5 into root 3 upon root 3x plus 28.5. Now, by cross multiplication, we get root 3x plus 28.5 root 3x, यहाँ 1 by root 3 है, देखिए root 3x plus 28.5 is equal to 28.5 into root 3 into root 3. The value of 28.5 into root 3 is 3 5s are 50. Okay, 1 3 is 24 plus 1 25. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 85.5. Implies root 3x is equal to 85.5 minus 28.5. 84.5 minus 28.5 0 7, and this is 57.0. Now, whose values you have to find out? You have to find the value of x. Implies x is equal to 57 by root 3. By rationalization, you get 57 into root 3 by 3. Implies x is equal to 19 root 3. You have to put the value of root 3 and you can find the value in decimal places. That means today we have done number of questions based on different topics, angle of elevations of two angles of elevation, angle of elevation farther to the object, nearer to the object. I advise you do these questions at least 2 times so that it will be get cleared. If you have any queries, you can ask me. See you again in the next class. Thank you.